Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Ghana Gosreal aka Double GFX, and in this video we're going to do some analysis we have for the week, and I'm going to show you how I analyze this chart and what I'm looking out for this new week. So without wasting much of your time, let's delve straight into the chart. So for this week, here are some pairs I have on my watch list. We have AUDUSD, GBPCAD, GBPNZD, GBPCHF, GPUSD, GPJPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro NZD, then USD JPY and gold. Here's some. So these are basically the pairs on my watch list. So first on my list is AUDUSD, and this is the chart currently. So I'm going to show you guys why I'm actually looking out for sale. This particular setup is just a counter trend trade to actually capitalize, but I've not taken this trade yet. I'm just putting out this I'm just predicting price will come all the way here before we continue selling. So without wasting much of the time, let's go to the weekly time frame on this pair. So this pair we have these are weekly time frame on AUDUSD, and we can see price is currently at a very strong area of resistance. Price reached around this region. The last price reached around region, price dropped all the way down here, and we can see another point where price reached around here, it dropped all the way down here. If you even go further, you see more retracement around this region here. So we can say here is a very strong area of resistance. So and price last week price gave us a bearish candlestick around that region. So let's move forward to our daily time frame. Our daily time frame, so that means our weekly time frame is telling us price is going to be bullish and bearish for this week. So let's go to our weekly time frame and our daily time frame for us to see what's happening there. So on our daily time frame, we can see price has been going, giving a series of higher highs and higher lows. It has been very bullish for a very long time. Then we had a shift of structure somewhere around here. It was giving us a high, low, high. Then boom, gave us a shift of structure around here. Then it came for this retracement. And today, you can see what price is doing. Price is actually going bearish. So this is what we have for AUDUSD on our daily time frame. And we can see price has been giving us it has been consolidated around this strong area of resistance. Then we can see price shifting structure to the downside. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame to finally determine our trend. So from our 4-hour time frame, we can see price has also been bullish. It has been going higher, higher, low, higher, low, higher. Then boom, we had this shift of structure, taking out this low that created this high. So after we had this shift of structure, then price retraced to around this region. If you should draw your Fibonacci retracement level, you could see these are Fib's level. So price was around this region. This is the highest point price reached from. This is the highest point this low created before it got taken out by it. So this is the highest point price reached. Price ranged down to this particular level. So if you extend this, you can see that when price was going up, when price started retracing, it came to almost exactly in between 0.6 and 0.5 retracement level before it actually had the momentum to actually retrace down to now create a new low, breaking this lower low here. So we had a break of structure here. You can see we had a break of structure around this region. So let me just write it, break of structure, put it at the middle center. Okay, so we had this break of structure, and currently price has given us a new low, and this is now our new high. So what do we look out for to get our entry? So this is a new high. So if you should draw a fifth Fibonacci retracement level to this particular, from this high to this lower low, so we're expecting price to actually retrace to this level before it continues going up. But mind you, price can just continue going down and we might not have the retracement up to the level we expect. So we're expecting price to actually retrace to around this level. And see it's under the EMA, under psychological level. So we're expecting price to move up to this level before we actually get our entry. This is like a counter trend trade. If you want to, people that might actually want to capitalize on this trade, to trade it up to this level. But I don't advise that. I advise you wait patiently. Patience pays. You wait for price to reach around this level. It gives you your entry signal before you enter. So that's that on GBP. So this is our main setup we are waiting for on AUD USD. So let's move forward. We have GBPCAD next on our watch list. GBPCAD is actually very, without saying much, you can see GBPCAD is giving us a downward momentum. You can see GBPCAD has been from 4 hours, but no, let's go back to our weekly time frame. So let's see what we have. On weekly time frame on GBPCAD, you can see price was giving us series of, it has been on a bullish trend. On our weekly time frame, price is bullish. It's giving us series higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Because this high is higher than this high. Then last week it gave us a bearish print. So we are expecting price to actually retrace more, because retrace more. Our weekly time frame is bullish. We're expecting price to retrace a bit before it continues going bullish. So if I should draw my Fibonacci retracement level to at least this region, we can see we're expecting price to come to this somewhere around here before it's our discount price, before price start going high. So this week we currently have this. Then going forward, we go to our daily time frame. Our daily time frame, what is this telling us? Price has been going high, giving us series of higher high, higher low, high, then boom, price started changing structure, giving us lower low, lower high, lower low. Then now this is lower high. So now my half price come take this lower low out. So our daily time frame is bearish, our weekly time frame is still bullish. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame to now confirm what we are actually working with. So our 4-hour time frame, they don't even need to tell you that this particular pair is bearish, because it has been giving us series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this is now the lower high it has formed. It's now, I'm very sure this low high is coming to take this low. So it's almost an instant execution trade. You can execute it instantly. Our 4-hour time frame engulfed the last 4-hour time frame. 4-hour candlestick engulfed the last 4-hour candlestick. So we might have price come. If I want to take this trade, I will just short it almost instantly. But you still have to wait for entry confirmation. But I think if you go to, let's check out for our entry confirmation on the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, we had a shift of structure around this region, and price gave us this doji kind of candlesticks around here, around our EMA. And anytime you see price touch the EMA, it gives us a low. We touch EMA, give us a low. Break above it, came below it, touched it, and now my half price come all the way here. So this is actually a very good setup. I'm going to update you guys on how this plays out. This is actually a very good setup. Your stop loss is around here, 30.3 pips, and your take profit should be around this region here, which is about 1:2.5 risks to reward. It's a very good setup. I might take this trade if I should I'm just waiting for one extra confirmation confluence. Let this 30 minutes close below here because it has been ranging. After this 30 minutes close below this range, we might take this trade. So that's that on GBPCAD. I'm going to send some of this signal to my free Telegram group and my free WhatsApp community group. Mind you, if you haven't joined them, click the link below to join our free Telegram group and our free WhatsApp group where we drop some of these exciting trades and just join us to make money together. So moving forward, we have GBPNZD, which is most like GBP pound against the New Zealand dollar. So let's go ahead and do our markups. For this one, we can see price is actually very bullish on weekly time frame. Price is bullish, giving us series of high, low, then it switched down, giving us high. This low is very valid because it took out this high, This is just like a retracement and to continue to the upside. So GBPNZD, I'm expecting a bullish movement on our weekly time frame. So let's go to our daily time frame and see what's happening there. On our daily time frame, price is actually bearish. Price is actually bearish on our weekly time frame, on our daily time frame, and we had like a head and shoulder around here. It's like a left shoulder, right shoulder, break and retest around this level. So this might be a very good trade to sell currently on our daily time frame. That's what the daily time frame is telling us, because we had this left shoulder, right head, then right shoulder, then it break below it, come back to retest this level. This level is actually a very strong area of support because price has been ranging before it broke out of this level here. It took price a very long time to break out of this level, and when it finally did, it came back to test around this level. You can see price currently at where our EMA is and around psychological level 1200 is around here. So 1200 is around here, and price is actually reacting from there. So let's move forward to our 4-hour time frame and see what's happening there. 4-hour time frame, we actually got this trade last night. I'll share some of the profit I made from my prop account. So this is actually on our 4-hour time frame. Price is actually bearish also. Price is bearish on our 4-hour time frame. The price is actually reacting around here. So let's just wait for entry confirmation on this particular pair before we actually do anything about it. So fast forward, we have GBPCHF. Let's see if there's opportunity there. Don't mind my chart. My chart is looking a bit messy. So on GBPCHF, we have price giving us series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high on our 4-hour time frame. Let's go back to our weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, you can see price is actually bearish because it has been giving us series of lower low, lower high, lower low. Then now this is like a retracement to give us another lower high. But now price is now going all the way up, and here is a very strong area of support and resistance. So let's see what happens around here. In our daily time frame, we have price stalling. Let me delete all these things that is making this chart. Price is actually stalling around here, so we don't actually know this high. This high needs to be taken out before we know from our daily time frame, before we know that price has actually shifted structure. This is the high that needs to be taken out. This high over here needs to be taken out before we know what to do on this. Before we know if we have switched structure from these are high and these are low. Price is just ranging between this high and this low. But most likely, I've been observing this GBPCHF for a very long time, since last week, I guess, and I'm expecting a very strong bearish momentum on this pair. But it's not about my expectation or how I feel. The market can just react the way it wants to. So let's just watch out and see. On our 4-hour time frame, price is actually respecting this particular resistance zone. This particular resistance zone, price is respecting it here. You can see price respected it around here, then price came all the way, respected it. Price is here and still respecting the resistance zone. So let's see what happens on this pair. Most likely you're going to have a push to the downside. That's my opinion on this pair. We're gonna have something like this, like this, like this, like this, and boom, it goes down. So this is what I expect on GBPCHF, but I've not really had my entry confirmation to actually enter the trade. So moving forward, if I analyze how many charts, okay, let me do one last one with you guys. GBPUSD is facing down. GBPUSD gave us a beautiful setup last week, but we didn't catch this trade. It gave us a perfect, this is what I call a perfect left shoulder, head, then right shoulder. Boom, it broke below it. Came back all the way here. Came back here. We tested this neckline, then another shift to structure. Price came up, and look at price going down, 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 down. So in GBPUSD, price is actually very bearish, and we are expecting price to go way down there. On our daily time frame, price has been very bullish for a long time, so I'm expecting a drop on this pair to at least this region here before we continue to the upside like that. So this is what I expect on this pair. Delete this. So this is what I expect on GPUs. We are going to have a massive sales on this pair. Let's go to our 4-hour time frame. From our 4-hour time frame, you can see this kind of pattern. Price came all the way here. If you had drawn your Fibonacci retracement level from this high to this low, you would have gotten your entry right at 0.5. You can see this Fibonacci retracement tool, it worked for me perfectly. It gives me an edge on where I'm expecting price to retrace from, and I've used it over time and it works. So that's what I use some of the time to get my entry confirmation. So until next time, I remain Double GFX. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification button to receive more of this kind of content from me. I'm going to be dropping more of my analysis on my YouTube channel, so make sure to watch them out. And if you find this particular video helpful, make sure to drop a comment and like